Hey guys, what's up? This is Joe. In this video, what I'm going to do is show you how to use a URL shortener with make.com. So when you need to display a URL, maybe like in a social media post or something, you can get a nice short URL for it. So let's get right into it. So what we're going to do is we're going to use short.io. So we want to go to short.io, sign up, create an account. It's free for like a basic plan. I know there's a paid version, but the free version gets you a lot. And once you have that, see, like here, these are the URLs that I've been creating with mine, and I'll show you how we can create them now. So what I'm going to do is we're going to start off by just creating a new scenario, and let's get the URL. So I'm just going to do a set variable. This is just the basic to get the URL. So I'm just going to call it eBay because I've got an eBay link. And here's the variable. And the variable is going to be, I've got this eBay search on here just for certain baseball cards. So I'm going to copy the URL. Control C. See how long this URL is? I may want to post this in social media, but I don't want this giant URL in there. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to paste it in here. And see, here's the big URL, and I'm going to click Save. So we got our first module here. So it's going to just use the variable. But however you get the URL, you do use other forms, could be your input. Now we're just going to go to short.io. So we got short.io, and there it is. And what we're going to do is just create a link. So what you're going to need to do is you want to create a connection for the first time. You're going to click Add, and what you're going to need to do is put in your API. And you can get your API right down here. It says Integrations and API. You're going to click on this, and it's short.io API. You're going to just click Create an API key. And then you're going to just copy that and use it when you create your connection. Once you have your connection, you're going to pick your domain. And I already set up a domain, just ebaycards.short. You can do that on here too, with domain statistics, domain settings. You could just create, here, add a domain. And you could just add a domain, something like this. So it'll sort of look like what I want. eBay cards is what I'm going for. So I'm going to go with eBay cards. And here's what's the original URL is just this. This is my variable. And we don't have to put anything else in there. So I'm going to click Save. And then let's run it and see what comes up. So I'm going to run this. Well, let's go to our list of links. And here, see, here's the link that was just created. See, this is just created right now. Or I clicked on it and copied it. And then if we go to a new browser and paste it in, it should take us to the same eBay page. And there. So, and see, when you click on here, the output, if you can see down here, and actually here it is. Here's the HTTPS link URL, and it's right here. So we can copy this, Control C, and just go to a new browser, and it's the same one that's in there. So now when you want to, say if you want to go into another scenario and maybe a Facebook and you post something and you're going to look for the link, you would just pull up this link, HTTP link, and use that, and then it'll pull it up into your whatever you're using it for. So that's just how you can use short.io, and then to create the links, and they'll show up here, and you can see the stats for them. And I hope this just hopes we're a little shortcut for you guys. Make your links look a little nicer. Thanks. Bye.